Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy DJLucas610, and today I'm going to show you guys a new segment of my videos called Tips and Tricks with Beatstars.com with your boy DJLucas610. And this is my 610 Sound Productions page. I want to keep my other page mainly for beats and stuff. So this is my page for music, tips, reviews, tutorials, all that. So make sure you follow me on both at 610 Sound Productions and at DJLucas610. So let's get on to the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get more followers from square one on BeatStars. This is for my producers and artists trying to get more sales on their songwriting and beats quickly. And as you can see, I'm starting from square one. So to show you more of the tricks, let me go to the computer. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Here's 3 tips to help you get more followers. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make sure you have your account filled out properly, that people will want to click on your account. So as you can see, I already started out 2 months ago with and now I have 200 followers, 1.5k plays with only 41 tracks. Now on average, that's about maybe 10 plays, 5 plays a track. I'm not sure. Some of them actually have way more than that. So obviously my math is probably off, but that's just an example. You want to be consistent. That's number 1. Be consistent. Everything. High quality pictures, nice names, your BPMs are filled out, the right artist, the right moods of the beat. So that's number 1. Be consistent, but don't be annoying. Okay, so another thing is to make sure everything's filled out properly, how people would want to see it. Nobody wants to click on something that they like, oh, I don't even know where this guy's from. Like, what if he's just trying to get my money and not care? Like, that's the thing. You want to make sure you have everything filled out nicely. So for me, I kept it simple, and I put my credits, who I worked with and more. A little bit about myself, my hashtags, where I'm from, follow me on SoundCloud, and my discography, which is, I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a second. This shows what you've worked on and what you worked with, how you go to check that. Well, first I got to sign in. And this is how you do it. You go to account, discography, and you go to add track. And let's say I did something for Drake. You search it up. It's going to go to Spotify and search these up. You just click one, you hit add, you put what you did, but I'm not going to do that because obviously it didn't work on that song. So that's just an example. That's how you do it. And this is how you fill out your bio. It's in my info. You could always change it whenever you want. And another thing is adding a high quality picture or your own logo. That is very important because people want to click on something that looks professional. So let me go to my account. Another thing is getting people to repost your stuff. You see, I got a few likes here, a few likes there, but as you can see right here, 5 reposts. That was good work with my friend. I asked him to repost it. Now some of his friends reposted it. They all liked it. Just like the likes. See, I got more likes and likes as you go because you got to fill stuff out. So I'm going to go to the tracks area and show you what you have to fill out because this is also very important. This is number 3. I know I said only 3 tips, but I'm going to add a 4th one after this 3rd one. So you get a bonus 4th tip on how to keep people wanting to click your account and follow you. So number 3 though, go over here to this edit and let me show you guys this beat. So make sure you have the high quality sounds and make sure you're doing the high quality pictures or cartoons. Give it a nice name, something catchy. Make sure your tags are accurate with what they are. You could also always edit the prices for certain beats, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this default in a different video. So if you need help with that and want to see how to set a default price to automatically be there when you upload a beat so it's faster when every time you upload a beat, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to consider doing that for the next video of how to set your prices automatically. But I'm just letting you know. If you already know how to do that, then just be sure that you know you could edit these anytime for certain beats. Say if you want one cheaper or you want one more expensive for a certain beat, you could do that. Again, and here's the free download options. I always click yes because it's just allowing them to get a reference track before they come back. That's why I do the free option. And, it helps because it also gets you more followers on your SoundCloud and Twitter and YouTube and Beatstars, all that. So definitely give them that free download option. There's nothing to be scared about. You could always take away somebody's ads if they try to steal it, so don't worry about that. It's usually just for reference tracks because usually they'll download it and come back to buy it later. So here is the genre section. If you have loops or samples, you would put it right here. It'll say I use third-party loops. You put where it came from. You could put YouTube, where you got it from, Looperman, anywhere you got it, and what person, what artist. That way people know what they're buying, just in case you don't have it cleared. But again, on the genre part now and the mood, make sure your genre has to do with what you're making. The subgenre, I didn't feel like I needed one for this, but there's more subgenres. The moods, make sure you're choosing moods that fit, but like will catch somebody's eye because they do look up the moods. It's not about just the type beats anymore. You gotta keep doing mood beats and type beats because these moods people look up in the filters on Beatstars and they're like, "Oh, I like this. Let me listen to this." If you put intense, they're gonna be like, "Oh, what's intense about this?" And then they can listen to it, and you're like, "Oh, that hits hard, that hits heavy. That is an intense beat. I like it." Also, you could put a little description, like what I did. I said, "Have you ever heard a beat without an 808? Check this R&B vibe out," and then I put my email. Something simple. You don't gotta, put a whole story about the description. You just say a little bit. Make sure you always have the BPM. If you forget it, you could always go back and edit it, like I just showed you before. You got to go to that little pencil and click edit. But it's important because people do search up by the BPM. Even if you forget to put it, they'll know the BPM if they buy it, but they rather know it before they buy it because that way they can listen to it and, get the vibe. If you have any collaborators, you click add and then you search them up. Same thing like when you add somebody's song. But make sure you're out here collabing. That is number 4. Collab. That is the bonus one. You want to collab with people. I'm going to show you how I collabed with somebody else. Let me go back to a different track. All right, so right here with my boy Craig. See, we collabed and he got it shared. I forgot to add him to it though, so let me add him. I'm going to show you right now how to add somebody. Here's produced by Craig. Go follow him as well. Me and him make some dope beats together. He got some nice loops he sent me. Shout out to Craig. And that, I'm going to give him his 50%. And I did most of the work, so I'm going to take 70% publishing. He's going to get 30. So I'll take that. And that's how you do it. Oh, forgot the musician role. So he is another producer on it. So that's a save changes. Put whatever you guys agree to, basically. That's about it. So that's why you want to collab, because it'll get you more shares, and they'll share it to their account. Their people will see it. Then they'll be like, "Oh, I like this producer. What did he add to it? Let me go listen to his beats." And they're like, "Oh, crap. I like your beats too." Boom, you got more followers. All right, so make sure you guys are out here collabing, giving high-quality sounds, making sure they share it, making sure you have your bio filled out, everything filled out properly, BPM, moods, type beats. Remember, especially, you don't need just type beats. You could do mood beats, and that'll help a lot. A lot. People will search up that mood. They want a sad, depressing beat. You make that in the description, sad and depressing. Don't always focus on the artist type beats only. You could do everything you can. to make these sales. It's all a big part of marketing, and that will help you get these followers as well. And people will see that once you get past 1,000 plays, they're like, okay, I want to listen to this guy. After 1,000, you're going to see more and more come on. I'm almost at 2,000. See, I'm at 1.5. That is the point I'm here trying to give you guys here today. So make sure you're being consistent, selling the beats at high quality levels, posting high quality pictures and the names of the beats that catch the people's eye, and make sure you're getting those shares and marketing your stuff. That is all I got to tell you guys today. If you liked the video today, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below of what you guys want to know next. Also, subscribe to my other YouTube channel for my beats. They're super fire. Go check it out at DJLucas610. That's all I got to tell y'all today. Peace.